When you know this, you will stop eating cookies. When it comes to lowering cholesterol, what you do not eat is as important as what you eat. To help lower your cholesterol level, it is important to consume more fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It is recommended to eat more monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are found in olive oil, walnuts and avocados. Try to reduce your total consumption of meat, and we recommend introducing more vegetarian foods in your diet. Here's a list of forbidden foods you should try to eliminate from your diet. 1. High-fat proteins. Cholesterol can be found in all products of animal origin. However, lean proteins contain less cholesterol and should be your main choice. 2. Forbidden foods. If possible, avoid high-fat dairy products such as whole milk and whole-fat cheese. Do not eat red meat more than once a week or discard it completely. Instead, choose fish, turkey and chicken. Other high-fat proteins to avoid or significantly reduce cholesterol include organ meats like liver, shrimp and other seafood, duck meat and cream cheese. 3. Desserts. Buns, biscuits, crackers, cakes, pies, muffins and donuts, especially those made with partially hydrogenated or saturated fats, are not good for cholesterol. When baking at home, consider low-fat recipes to make your desserts healthier. Keep in mind that your new low-cholesterol diet does not have to be as restrictive as you may have expected it to be. Even though it involves limiting or avoiding the above-mentioned foods, there are plenty of new foods and recipes to try. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.